Hey, my name is Joel Poche. Now I'm going to show you the final production of the English class, the objective. The objective of this production is understand if we as students this have learned during the course. Therefore, we indicated in the final production leave a video. Introduction. The methodology of this study is very interesting because students must learn at their own pace, so it is forced to learn. In this final project, we will be developing the issue of how to present, as described, and talk to him or her. The theme we have chose to make this final work is appear and describe, tell all the information about him or her. Team development. My name is Joel Poche. I'm from the Dominican Republic. I was born in Comendador, Elias Piña. I'm 27 years old. I'm studying Santo Domingo. I'm thin and I have black hair, brown eyes, and I like egg, rice, banana, apple, orange, and some other fruits. I love to read. I love to learn language. I love dogs, cats, to travel. I prefer the rain than the sun and the cold water than the hot water. Talk of him or her. When to use she, he, or her, his. She or he. We use she to identify the female to the male, and we write them before the verb to begin a sentence. His or her. We use them to identify their possessive. For example, who is she? She is my mother. Oh, very good. And who is he? He is my brother. Okay, see you later. Bye. That was all which I had about the final production of this English course. My name is Joel Poche.